Hello students, here I am going to solve some more questions where you have to find out the output or you can rewrite the syntax accordingly. As you can see this question, rewrite the following program segment using if-else loop. Tax equals to income greater than 1 lakh question mark income into 30 divisible by 100 colon income into 10 by 100. So I have told you that this is ternary operator, question mark colon. You can see, you have to keep in mind that this question mark and this colon is the ternary operator. These are the two statements. So we can write ternary operator using if-else loop also. So we will write this statement as if income greater than 1 lakh. If income greater than 1 lakh, this statement. If income greater than 1 lakh, then tax equals to income into this one, 30 by 100, and the else part will be income into 10 by 100. Means we can write anything which is written in ternary operator using if-else loop. Next question. Rewrite the following program segment using corresponding while loop. So you can see this is written in int f equals to 1 I, means here we have two variable f which is initialized to 1 and I is blank. So we are using I in for loop. Here we have used for loop and this the same statement we have to use in while loop. मतलब हम लोग को statement जो for loop में लिखा है उसको while loop में convert करना है. You can see for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, I plus plus. So I hope you know what is the procedure of for loop. This loop will execute 5 times until it will check all the number. Means I equals to 1, then I less than equals to 5, I plus plus. At starting the value of I will be 0. No, I will be 1 because it is initialized to 1. So it will check the value till 5. You know that this is for loop. F into equals to 1 mean F into this is multiply. F multiply equals to I. This statement means जैसे मैथ में हम पढ़ते हैं कि F equals to I into F. Just like this we need to print this statement. So system.out.print F means whatever will be inside F that will be printed. So what will be the answer? हमें इसे while loop में convert करना है. Int F equals to 1, I equals to 1. Means here we will initialize f to 1 and I to 1. Means in for loop हम आप देख सकते हैं कि we have written I equals to 1 means inside the loop we are declaring as I equals to 1. But when we will use the same statement in while loop, then we need to declare I equals to 1 because we need to declare while loop and which is different from for loop. So while I less than equals to 5, parenthesis open, f into equals to 1, f into equals to I and I plus plus, means the same statement we can write using while loop and then system.out.println f means whatever will be inside f that will be printed. Means this is very basic question, very easy. आपको पता होना चाहिए how to write for loop and how to write while loop. For loop में क्या है, I जो है वो 1 से डिक्लेयर हो रहा है लूप के अंदर और वाइल लूप में उसको बस हमने ऊपर में डिक्लेयर कर दिया. और वाइल लूप में आपको पता है कि बस हम एक कंडीशन चेक करते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे है I लेस दैन इक्वल्स टू 5, तो बस हमें वो चेक करना है कि वेदर I इज़ लेस दैन इक्वल्स टू 5 और नॉट. देन वी नीड टू प्रिंट द वैल्यूज़ अकॉर्डिंगली.